This is EXO Ranger X7 Plus drone, and today I'll show how you can enable or disable the headless mode on this device. So it is a very simple and quick thing to do. You will need to get your remote controller, find this button here, and tap on it. And well, that's about it. In my case, the headless mode doesn't work since something is wrong with my connection between the RC drone and phone. I have no idea what, and I have no intention to figure it out now. So yeah, just to enable or disable the headless mode, you need to press this button respectively. Just press this button. So that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.